All right, guys, I'm here at GOSO with Brent, and Brent, you have really nice pots and pans.
Thank you.
Tell me all about them.
Yeah, for sure. We created, I'll show you. We created a carbon steel frying pan that has a completely removable handle.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's carbon steel is amazing cookware. It's kind of like cast iron, but much more lightweight.
Right.
So with a removable handle, it's a lot easier to pack. Use it on a campfire, induction cooktop, all sorts of stuff. And then your packed footprint is really small. So 2 pans and a handle in a space like that.
That's very small.
Yeah.
So I actually met Brent last night from Samantha from DryFox, and she's like, you got to check this out. So we're actually brother adventure motorcycle riders.
Yeah.
And that's where this kind of stemmed from, right? Was
100%.
ADV bikes?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I live in the mountains of British Columbia. And during COVID, I was going out and trying to cook awesome meals off my motorcycle, you know, and do more than just like eat dehydrated mac and cheese or something.
Right.
And knowing that I'm not far from a gas station, I was like, I'm gonna take good food out into the wilderness and cook. And you know, we made chicken wings and donuts and tacos, all sorts of, it was awesome. It was a really fun project. But through all that, I was making a smash burger once. I was like, you know, smash burger, any meat, you wanna get at high heat and sear it, right? I had this pan that was an aluminum pan, Teflon coated, had a foldable handle. In one day, I dented it, I scorched it, I like warped it. It was brutal. I was like, this is the best frying pan I could buy. And I just got really frustrated. I was like, there's gotta be something better. So started looking around and yeah, found carbon steel frying pans. And yeah, so when I was like, okay, this will take, well, I can drop my motorcycle on a carbon steel frying pan.
Yep.
Like if it gets scratched, it's not a big deal. I can re-season it like I would a cast iron or like my carbon steel. So I was like, this is the perfect cookware. But all the carbon steel pans had handles sticking off them. It's a really popular cookware in France or in professional kitchens, and like utilitarian, right? It's super durable, but the handles kind of sucked.
Right.
And like you still have that problem when you're camping. Like you're not bringing a pan that like the pack size is this. You want the pan and take the handle off.
Yeah.
So yeah, we created the everywhere pan, we call it.
It's perfect.
Sure.
And what's the price point on these?
Sure. Price point. So we start at $139 for our small pan with the handle. Goes up to $199. Well, our big pan is $149, and then we have a set where you get the small, big, and a handle is usually $199. And then you can get two big pans. You can get we call it the Michelin Stargazer. So if you got a big crew that loves to eat, you get 2 10s at 8. You got all the scratch pads and seasoning paste and everything like that too. So
excellent.
Yeah.
And these are also, you can use them for induction cooktops and your regular burners.
Totally.
It's really one or none.
100%. Yeah. So like you can use it on induction cooktop. It works amazingly well because the cooking surface induces the current. Use it on a campfire, nestle in the coals, put on the flames. Use it on your gas stove. It works awesome. Campfire is great because you can like take the handle off. It doesn't get hot, but if it gets smoky, you can just grab it from whatever side. It doesn't matter. If you're using it in like a van or inside your rig, like you can walk past the stove with no handle attached. So it's nice and safe that way. And yeah, it's awesome. Using a pizza oven, like they're really versatile. Regular oven, like you can use them everywhere. It's
everywhere.
sweet. Yeah.
Everything everywhere.
Yeah. That's why I call it everywhere pan. It's
excellent.
Like, use it everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for people that aren't seeing it here at Expo, where can they find them at?
You find them on our website as GOSOCookware.com, GOSO.
Okay.
Cookware, COOKWARE.com. And yeah, they're sweet. Also, our pans are made in the United States, which is super cool. It's actually really unique in the world of camp cookware. So that's another real plus made here in America.
Excellent. Yeah. And they look cool. So you got that form factor, they look cool.
Yeah, if we were like to really geek out and like, they look cool. The shape is actually really rad because it's like, it's nice curve. You can like saute your food.
Right.
The handle keeps your hand up and high and away from the heat. It's really comfortable. Like, I don't know if you actually like tried it out, but give it a whirl. Like it's a comfortable handle to use, a comfortable pan.
I mean, you notice the weight, but it's not overly heavy.
Yeah,
so.
That's what we were trying to do is like cast iron pans, those have like been pretty perfected. And backpacking equipment, like lightweight backpacking equipment has been perfected too. Like there's amazing backpacking equipment. But the in-between between those two is a real void.
Yeah.
Right? So you're like, I want something that feels like high quality cookware, acts like the stuff I have at home, but packs down super compactly. So
excellent.
That's what we do.
I love it.
Yeah.
You guys get sure to check it out. Brent, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Kelly, that was awesome. Thanks, you so much. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys, I'm here at DryFox with Samantha. And Samantha, you have a brand new blanket out that's just beautiful. And last year we talked about this blanket and your other stuff, but I really want to focus on this thing and I want to hear all about it.
Yes, so our camp out style was our best selling print in our towels. So I figured why not make it into a blanket. It's all packable, super lightweight, rated to about 30 degrees, just really easy to take with you everywhere.
And I was walking around Expo early this morning when I first woke up, and I passed by this lady, and she had it wrapped up in a poncho.
Yeah, so they actually have snaps along the sides. You can wear the blanket as a poncho. So great for sitting around the fire. I mean, even great for walking around the expo.
Yeah. I asked her, I was like, hey, is that like comfortable to like wear? She's like, oh my God, it's amazing. She's like, I had a rumple. Is that in it? And she's like, this one is so much better.
Well, it's great because it's so lightweight. So it's great for the winter and it keeps you nice and warm, but it also is perfect for the summer.
Excellent. And what's the price point?
So they're going to be $138.
Okay, excellent. And if people aren't at the shows to get the show special, where can they find them at?
DryFoxCo.com.
Excellent. You guys gotta be sure to check them out. And not only is it beautiful, it's functional, and you can wear it as a poncho, come to find out.
Exactly, it's fashion.
There you go. Awesome. Thanks, Samantha.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I'm here at Easy Wins with Jennifer. And Jennifer, you just launched 2 brand new pair of merino wool socks that one looks sick, and I know from experience are awesome. Tell me all about them.
We did. So we launched these awesome skull socks for mountain biking, hiking, running, whatever. And then also these awesome blue checkers.
Sick. So skulls, badass. But is there like a link to the Easy Wins, or is it just a badass design?
It's just a badass design.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, you really have to just go with the stuff that works, right?
Yeah. You
Okay.
do.
So tell me the function of what's good about merino wool over, say, standard wool or cotton or any of the other brands of socks that are out there.
So merino wool is going to be a lot softer to the touch and to the skin. Also, it's going to be hypoallergenic, so it shouldn't be itchy. It's going to be moisture wicking, so it's going to wick away that moisture, especially in the heat, keep your feet nice and cool. Also, it's antibacterial, so when it wicks away that moisture and that stink, keep your feet nice and cool. Also keep them from smelling, and you can wear them for a good 7 days without any odor, which is great for backpacking, camping. You pack less socks. The other benefit of it is they dry really quick, so you can cross creeks, and they're gonna dry in just a few hours.
Sick. And you have 2 different styles, right? You have like a padded and non-padded?
Sure do.
Okay, now what are these ones? Are they padded or are they
So
non-padded?
these are uncushioned.
Okay.
Instead of unpadded.
Not padded. We don't use padded. That was
We
a
don't
silly,
use padded,
silly word.
Kelly. Yeah, so they're uncushioned.
Okay.
So they're gonna just feel a little bit closer to your foot, and it's really just a comfort preference.
Excellent.
If you want cushion, or how tight your shoe is. If you're gonna have a tight mountain bike shoe, you're gonna want an uncushioned, and if you're gonna be hiking and you know you're gonna be on feet all day, you might want the cushion.
Right. So I have one of each. I got a pair of uncushioned and cushioned, and I am a true testament that they are amazingly comfortable. Like, I love them. My wife actually stole my uncushioned pair because she said those are now hers. So now I have one pair, but yeah.
We find that happens a lot.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah.
Okay, now what do these run? What's the price point?
So our uncushioned socks run at $22 a pair, and our cushions run at $25 a pair. And then we also have some shorties. So those are the no-shows, and they're $18 a pair.
Excellent. And for people that aren't going to the shows to see these, where can they find them at?
You can find them at easywinoutfitters.com.
Okay. Take my word for it. They're amazing. Jennifer, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kelly.
I'm here at Civivi with Kyle. And Kyle, once again, you guys have launched some really cool new knives. Tell me all about it.
All right, perfect. We'll just jump right in. So first of all, we have the Guile. This one is designed by an actor.
No.
His name is Sean Ashmore. So if you watch the me think of the TV show The Rookie.
Yes.
And
I actually kind of watched that. My wife definitely watches that.
yeah, so The Rookie, and then also he's on, I think, the Power, not Superpowers. Well, I'm spacing a movie, but he's on another movie. Anyway, he is in the EDC world.
Good story. Good story.
I know,
I
it's
like
a
it.
great story. I forgot the movie. X-Men. It came to me. I had to think about it. He's in the X-Men. He's the ice guy.
Yes.
So
Cool.
he's an EDC dude. He has his own company called Peace Neighbors. So that's his little logo right there, little skull logo. And he designed this one for us. So super
Wow.
fun.
That's
Using a
really cool.
14C28 blade steel. Rocking a nice, on this model, obviously you're rocking that nice white G10, deep carry pocket clip, all really super fun.
Awesome.
Knife.
I dig it. What else you
Then
got?
we have the Krabby. This is designed by Ken Onion Jr. Really clean sheep's foot kind of blade. And it's like kind of stubby. So it like fits in your pocket really well. You can choke up on the blade, and then thumb studs for deployment.
Wow. I've actually never even thought about chuck and blade that much, but yeah, that's actually doable.
And
That's
it's like
cool.
a nice, smaller, compact, kind of EDC friendly. So you got
Yeah.
to shove in the pocket with a deep carry, and it's just gonna disappear in your pocket.
Dig it.
And then to go down the fixed blade route, this one's designed by Kyle Lamb, so the owner of VTAC.
A name I've heard of, yes.
Yes,
definitely.
he's like a tactical guy, ex-special ops, all that jazz, right? Anyway, he designed this one for us. This is the Modern Hunter. This one's kind of, when I talked to him about the design, he said it's kind of more for hunting, but then also some general camp use.
Right.
Right? So you have this nice long blade, but then this is also a hollow grind to a flat grind. So it's an S grind is what he was calling it.
Okay.
But then you have some of his features. He calls this the lamb shank.
Right.
So, and then obviously just goes right into a Kydex sheath that obviously you can either attach it to your belt, a backpack, or take those off and put whatever clip or something you want.
Yeah.
So
That's cool.
it's a few of the offerings we have coming out this right now. So
Excellent. All right, what are the price points?
price points, you're looking from all the Civivi stuff, you're looking from $100 down to $50.
Okay.
So these ones will all range in there, like $75.
Excellent. Cool. And where can we find them at?
Civivi.com. You can also find them at like all your major blade retailers.
Excellent. Come to the expos, check him out. One, Kyle's a cool guy, and he's here at every expo, and they have great knives. Kyle, once again, thank you very much.
Thanks, Kelly.